In this very brief video, I'm going to demonstrate how in Windows 8.1 you can enable the Start menu and also configure the computer so that as soon as you log in, you enter your username and password in the computer, you will go directly to the desktop, very similar to Windows 7. So what you do is, here's what we have currently in Windows 8. You put in your password, and then the first thing that you get is you get this new start screen, the tiles that we are used to using. And of course you'd have to, it's one extra click and so on. So what you'd usually have to do is you'll have to scroll down here and then go back to desktop and so on, which is kind of not very effective of your time, and it's also one extra step that you have to take. Now what you can do with Windows 8.1, which is, by the way, if you had Windows 8, 8.1 is a free update and you can get that from the Microsoft Store. Now to enable the traditional, or to enable the Start menu so that you can go directly to the desktop, right click on the taskbar here and then choose Properties. Then you go here and there's a new tab. This is not available in previous versions of Windows. It's only available in 8.1. You click on Navigation, and then what you want to do is you want to put check marks to all of these options right here. Under Start menu, just put a check mark for starting it. So when I sign in, close all the apps on the screen and go directly to the desktop instead. So just put a check mark to all of those. Then click OK, and that's all that you have to do. So once we have made this change, at this point let's log out, which, by the way, you can use the right click option here, and let's test it. Put in the password, and notice it will go directly to the desktop. It will not go to the new start screen. And this makes Windows 8.1 a lot more usable in a business environment, unless you have a tablet PC. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post it under the comments section below. I'll try to get back to those comments and questions as soon as I can. And thank you, and feel free to subscribe.